Okay, so good morning all once more, and let's continue from where we stopped. Um, okay, good. Most of the news are already coming out. Okay, not the ones we want. Okay, so before 9 o'clock Nigerian time, we'll be taking cognizance of two pairs. Um, we'll be taking cognizance of two pairs. Two news. One is the PMI for Spain and the PMI for Germany. Those are the two most important PMIs to watch out for before we now. So if both of them are negative, automatically you should be expecting the main global Eurozone PMI to come out negative, which is by 9 o'clock. So we'll now be looking for Euro pairs to sell. But if it comes out positive, all right, expect Euro USD is already buying. So you expect to buy Euro USD. Okay, you expect to buy Euro USD and Euro CHF. Okay, those are the two pairs you can watch out for. Euro USD buy and Euro CHF buy. All right, but if this news comes out negative for the PMI for Euro, I think Euro AUD will be the best sell-off. Yes, Euro AUD will be the best sell-off if you ask me. Euro AUD, Euro NZD, those two, you watch out for those sell because they're also ripe for sales. So we have two outlook. If Euro PMI comes out positive, we'll buy Euro USD and Euro CHF. If it comes out negative, we'll sell Euro CAD, Euro NZD and Euro AUD. Okay, those are the pairs I'm looking out for. Now, the essence of picking these pairs are because when there is news, it automatically creates volume. All right, just right after that, we have by 9:30 the manufacturing PMI too for the pound, which is a lot easier to analyze. So they are forecasting it to drop. Previous was 4.93, 4.8. So if it comes out negative and Euro is strong, Euro AUD will join, Euro GBP will join our buy list. So you'll be watching out for that. Euro AUD, all you have to do is, even though we are recording, just make sure to take notes of every pair we are mentioning. Okay, so we have Euro GBP under our radar too for a buy if Euro comes out positive and pound comes out negative. All right, but if Euro comes out negative and the pound comes out positive, Euro GBP will be an awesome sell-off. All right, so those are my major looks for this morning. So joining the market around the last news by 9:30 and holding for the whole of the day would not be a bad idea. So the best thing is wait for this outcome for this news, and it becomes easier for you to pick a direction, do your proper money management. Now, but towards around 2:30, we have two important news: the manufacturing index for CAD and the dollar manufacturing index. The forecasting CAD to be negative, while dollar has been forecasted to be positive. So it becomes a little dicey here. All right. So if Euro USD is going to buy, let's say Euro is already strong. For the Euro USD to not buy properly during the US section, we'll be expecting the dollar PMI to come out negative. So if that happens, we'll be expecting our dollar to buy very well. All right. So we have global manufacturing PMI for CAD and the dollar, but another PMI for the dollar too for the month of March will also be out by 3 o'clock. So also watch out for that as well. All right. So if it comes out negative, GU will buy if the pound PMI is already positive. So we'll be expecting we can join the buy to take a very small little risk. If it now comes in negative, dollar now comes out negative in the afternoon, we'll just know we're holding the buy over till tomorrow. Okay, so watch out. Those are my outlooks, and you can simply just go to the charts and do some of these analysis. So when analyzing the market, it's important you have a very open mind to both sides. It's important you have a very open mind to both sides of the block, both buy side and what sell side. It's very, very important. Okay, so today, if you ask me, the pound can possibly continue to buy or continue to sell. All right, this is my daily 4 hours chart. Started selling last Friday, but anything can happen today. It's already forming a reversal pattern, but I'll wait for the outcome of the pound. So my best bet to actually buy is the GU, but let the PMI for the pound come out positive first before I join that buy. So any question so far from all we have done? Okay, I know some people love to trade gold a lot. All right, but that's solely determined. I will not want to jump in on gold now. I won't want to jump in on the good buy. It looks like a good buy on M15 and H1 as well. It's been ranging within 2000 and 1950. All right. So if this buy becomes good back to 2000, if I think I sold from 2000, I remember selling from 2000. So if we can see the range now. The range has been ongoing for like 2 weeks now, right? Starting from this top, from the last resistance. So that resistance is becoming strong and it's not been broken. But be that as it may, if the manufacturing index comes out negative for the dollar, I see the pound, the gold buying back to 2000. Once you're in 2000, please close your profits and possibly maybe by Friday, if NFP comes out positive, we can look to sell. And I think it's in line with some technical analysis here. You want to draw your trend line on H1. So that's my outlook for today. And if you have any question, contribution, you can just ask. We can continue the discussion while we wait for the outcome of most of these news. Okay. So I'm going to end the recording here.